Most of us want our bodies to feel good and function well, but most of us also don't know exactly how to make it happen. An annual health and wellness extravaganza is coming to the Suncoast next weekend to help. It's called Hack Your Health. Founder and CEO Robin Switzer is here to tell us what it's all about. Great to see you.
Thank you for having me.
Hey, I'm all about a good hack, right? So tell us what makes this event different.
Well, it's 3 solid days. So we have, over the course of that 3 days, 70 different expert speakers from around the world. We have 100 different companies that are there to share their services and products, and a lot of things happening over the weekend. So people are going in, for instance, people are taking a sauna, people are testing out what it feels like to go into a cold plunge, they're having a red light therapy session, they're doing a movement class, they're doing breathwork sessions. So it's much more of an experience than just going to a conference or just going to a fair.
Yeah, sounds like a lot more fun if you get to do all these things, right? Now, this was all born out of a very personal experience for you. So explain what led you to want to share all this information with everyone.
Well, this really started because I had struggled with my health and mainly my metabolic health, and my weight for many, many years. And so it wasn't until I was in my 40s that I discovered low carbohydrate eating. And then I eventually transitioned to a ketogenic diet. And at that time I was a corporate banker. So I was really interested in finding a way to move out of corporate America and find something that I could really feel passionate about. At that time, my kids were grown, they were out of college, I had taken care of everything I needed to take care of, and it was time for me to look at something that I wanted to do. So I jumped ship from corporate banking and started working for a startup that was focused on educating people about the ketogenic diet. And this was back in 2016, I'm sorry. We decided to do an event in 2017, and we brought together all of these people from social media and from YouTube and all these different audiences that we had to do our first event. But what happened was it just kind of exploded. Based on my experience, and all the people that we brought in to get involved in this all had the same experience. They had overcome health issues, weight issues. I lost roughly 60 pounds when I started doing low carbohydrate eating. And so over the years, my health improved, and that's when I got involved with this event. And
health and wellness right now is so important and also trending. I mean, you hate to think that health has to trend, but I feel like as a country, we're really starting to grasp the concept of it matters. It matters how we feel, and it matters how we take care of our body. Sure. How are you choosing who gets involved?
From a speaker perspective?
From all of it, from a speaker perspective and from an experience perspective.
Well, from a speaker perspective, I'm looking for individuals that are experts in their field, but not in a way that they're like an influencer. I'm looking for real people who have either also had a health experience that they overcame, or a health challenge that they overcame, and that are using that experience to help other people. So we have 70 speakers, more than 70 speakers this year, and I would say a good third of them are MDs.
So people are going to learn something.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, something that they can take away. All right, what do you hope people take away from this event?
Wow, that you do have the ability to take control of your health. And I think that a lot of people walk around, there's a lot of misinformation out there. There's a lot of very misleading information. So I want people to be able to come to and have an experience like this where they're around other people who are really passionate about being healthy. And there's an energy to that. So when you walk into this convention center with thousands of other people, there's it's almost like electric. You can feel it. You can feel that when everyone is coming together for something that's very positive, it's moving for people. So I want people to come in and feel like they're a part of a community, but I want them to leave with at least a few tidbits that they can, take home and try to make a difference in their own health.
Because that's what it's all about.
To feel empowered.
Be empowering to take care of yourself. If you are looking for a plethora of information and experiences for health and wellness, Hack Your Health is coming up November 14th through 16th. It's at the Tampa Convention Center. And for more information, you can go to hackyourhealth.com.